Hey guys, so this is going to be a very quick tutorial about how to fix latency issues in Ableton. So if you see, I'm using a very amateur setup, so that's why I have around 46 ms of latency, as you can see here, and this affects my recordings. So this is a sample recording of just some chords, and let's say I want to record some solos over it or a lead guitar over it. So when I try to do that, I have some very strange issues uh, due to the latency. Yeah, so let's see how it sounds like now. So I think it's evident that it's offbeat and it's a bit delayed. Yeah, so how do you go about fixing that? So there are many tutorials that tell you to use uh, a better hardware, but I'll tell you how you can fix it right now. So I just clicked on this setting there, and now just add this latency, double the amount of latency. I'm not entirely sure why it's double. If someone knows, please put it down in the comments. But that's what I discovered, and put it as a negative number because the recording is actually delayed. So we need the output to come early. Now let's record something else. Yeah, so now that that is recorded, let's see how it sounds like. I think you can just revert it back. Let's play it again. So now this looks like it is in time, right? And I think if you want to compare, I can just switch it in between so you can see what the difference was. So it is clearly evident. So this is how you can fix your latency if your setup is something like mine and you can't decrease the sample rate any further.